Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's Light here, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down one of the trades I took. I think it was last week or the week before. It's a really nice trade. There's a little bit of support, there's a little bit of trend lines, but enough about that. Let's just get into the trade and I'll show you how I found it. So roll the intro. Okay then, so I'm going to be using the replay tool. So at the moment I'm on the 12-hour time frame, and obviously we can see, a trend in the downward direction. But recently we saw a break of that downtrend, and when I see something like that, when I see a break of, a strong trend that's been going for quite a long time, then that makes me think, could there be a reversal? Anyway, so we start to see price produce higher highs and higher lows. So there's a low, and there's a higher low, higher low, higher low, and then a higher high there, and a higher high. And then on the smaller time frame, so if we just go to the 4-hour, we see that there's a little bit of support here, and we saw a little wick rejection there. So this is the kind of trade I was looking at. And then let me go down to the 1-hour time frame, and on the 1-hour time frame we can see that there's definitely a nice push to the upside, and then a pullback as well. And then what I kind of wanted to see was price come back down, pull back, and then dip into this support area, and then go back up to the upside and continue its new uptrend. And another thing I liked about the trade, it's got a nice risk reward ratio as well. So it's 2.84, which is almost 3. And yeah, for me, I quite liked it. We saw here, if we zoom in a bit, we saw a nice bullish engulfing candle as well. So yeah, for me, it ticked all the boxes, and let's just see how it kind of played out. But let me just talk about the stop loss placement and the take profit placement. I placed my take profit here, which is just below the last swing high, which is there. And I placed my stop loss just below the last swing low. And yeah, like I said, it's a nice risk to reward ratio right there. And when it comes to the take profit, I always have the ability, or I always have the choice to remove the stop loss and just let it run. You know what I mean? And, just see how it goes. In this case, I don't think I did, but let's just see how it goes anyway. So if I use the replay tool, we can kind of see how it worked out. So we went to the side for a bit, but there wasn't much drawdown. And at this point, I would be moving my stop loss to about here, and then about here, So, but otherwise, the trades are just going absolutely lovely. And there you go. That's where I got taken out. And like I said, if I would have removed this, the take profit, I could have just let it run. So yeah, that was a pretty nice trade in my opinion. It kind of respected all of the confluences. And yeah, it had a nice risk reward ratio as well. So yeah, it's just in general, it's just a nice trade. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. But before you go, be sure to subscribe. You was going to leave without subscribing, wasn't you? Cheeky. But all that aside, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.